In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Payoneer account if you don't have access to your phone number or security questions. First, go to the Payoneer login page and click Forgot Password. Enter the email address linked to your Payoneer account and follow the instructions to start the recovery process. Even if you don't have access to your phone number, this step helps Payoneer identify your account. Next, if Payoneer asks for a verification code sent to your old phone number and you no longer have access to it, look for an option like Try Another Way or Contact Support. Payoneer usually allows you to continue the recovery process through customer support when normal verification methods are unavailable. Now contact Payoneer customer support through the Help Center. Submit a request, explaining that you cannot access your phone number or security questions. In most cases, Payoneer will ask you to verify your identity by providing documents such as a government-issued ID or other account information. After Payoneer verifies your identity, they can update your security settings, remove the old phone number, and help you regain access to your account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.